Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you my nighttime routine as an injured person. So, kinsa may dili ganahan o himbing nga tulog sa gabi. So, of course, kinahanglan jud first and foremost na limpyo ang ato ang palibot, especially ang ato higdaanan. Kaya ingon pa nila, cleanliness is the best policy. Oh, sayo, cleanliness is next to godliness. Kay kumot lagi, lang gid paning kamutag may street. Isa ra man gyud tong magamit ng kamot tay mahimo. Ito din na siligan na sa lo guys kay daghan kay mga hinagpatan sa Kalamunggay kay mao lagi among gisud-an kay ganina.
Oh, wow!
Kaya kining ma-injured tano kay but-an tagkalit ba. Limpyo, silig-silig din tana guys. Pero ma-injured man tag madili, kinahanglan malimpyo gyud. Proceed ta sa atong oral hygiene guys, no, which is kining pag-toothbrush nato.
Oh, wow!
100 gyud tong gamit, no. Mao na nga kinahanglan jud tang maanad ani guys, no. Mintras nagpaayo pa ta sa tong isa ka kamot kay wala man gyud, disgrasya man gyud. Basketball pa more. Mao na siya guys na kamo magamping gid mo labi na to mga batanon nga di pa kay mahadlok sug pa kay madula.
Oh, wow!
Once sa mabalian na diha na gyud ta mutagam guys. Nakarelate na gid ko sa gingon nila nga we're not getting younger anymore. So sa dula dapat hinay-hinay lang. Minanoy style aron iwas injured.
Perfect!
Kapasingot lang, lingaw, okay na. Pero inaanam ginano, di mo ginato na malikayan. Ginang disgrasya bisag asa. Mantuwa lang dyan na ni, mag-amping, pakondisyon sa lawas, aron dili-dali ma-injured. But the best of all is prayer. From the moment we wake up in the morning to start up our day until we came back home at night from work, from school, or from wherever we may have been busy of doing something for our living, for our life goals, for our family, for our future, we should not forget that prayer is the key to every blessing in life because it only means that we depend on God in whatever we do in our lives and we do not depend on ourselves. You know what? This thing that happened to me made me realize that I was not that dependent on God. I became very weak spiritually, for I seldomly pray and call on His name and often murmur when things don't go my way. I lost my appetite in coming to the Word or in reading the Bible. And yeah, I just do things whatever it pleases me. So the moment I realized that there is something bad with the way I fell to the ground during that basketball game last July 28th, I immediately recognized God's hand in dealing with me as His beloved children, as His beloved son. Yeah, that's part of God's love. You know, I'm still thankful that God spared me, and hopefully we could get back to the right track. So, mao to siya guys, ang akong nighttime routine as an injured person.
What?
Di na tao palabig seryoso, MMK yanig, sing manghilak ta no. So, lang guys, health is wealth good indeed. Sa mga may tabo sa tong kinabuhi ng mga pagsulay, padayon lang. Kay basin pa ay nga naay naghulat nga maayo sa tuwa sa unahan nga giandam na sa Ginoo, no, as our blessing kinahanglan lang mabalik ni kita niya. Kay gingon pa sa Matthew 6:33, seek ye first the kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Sa yun na siya isulti guys, no, pero it's very hard to apply, especially when we are very distracted from this world. So we just need to ask for the Lord's strength to carry us through. You know what, guys? I just want to tell you something that the only thing that is permanent in this world that would last forever is the Word of God. As Matthew tell us, that heaven and earth shall pass away, but the Word of God shall by no means pass away.